This is a tour of Language Garden. We'll look at the different levels and the different units and sample different types of activities. There are 5 levels. These correspond to the UK curriculum levels 1 to 5. In EFL, this is beginner to upper intermediate, and in ESOL, this is entry 1 to level 1. Let's look at level 1. In each level, there are 12 units, so in total there are 60 units. If I put my cursor over unit descriptions, we can read the topic of each unit and see the grammatical structure. If I put my cursor over the title, we can see what the unit is about in more detail. We can see that with colours, we are looking at adjectives and nouns. Let's click on Colours. This is the title page. There are 10 different activities, and we will look at branches, puzzle, and new topic. Let's look at branches. If I click verse 1, we can watch and listen to the language plant grow.
Grey cloud, grey parrot, orange orange, orange carrot.
If I click on the leaves, pictures of the words appear. I can click on the 5 verses to hear the other verses, and if I click End, I can see the complete language plant. Now let's look at puzzle. We'll just look at this language plant. There was the P and the C starting the words parrot and carrot. So we're looking for arrot. There it is. It turns blue, so we know we're correct because nouns are blue. We have cloud and parrot, and these were grey. And we have carrot and orange, which were orange. If I put it in the wrong position, the word stays black, but in the right position, it turns green because adjectives are green. We can listen to the 5 verses. If I keep my cursor over the verse button, we can also read the text. Now let's look at new topic. It says, "What a delicious pineapple, it's a delicious pineapple." Here, we can change the words to make new sentences. We can say, "What a horrible building," or "It's a difficult question." So we're making new sentences with the same grammatical structure as the original language plant. Now let's look at level 2. Again, there are 12 units, and if I put my cursor over unit descriptions, we can read what the unit is about. Let's look at pastimes. Again, there are 9 or 10 activities. We will look at introduction, rewriting, and paint words. Introduction introduces the topic. There are some questions for your learners to talk with each other. What hobbies or pastimes have you got? Tell your partner. In rewriting, there are a number of different activities we can do. I can click on the words so that they become bold, and I can make a sentence. What I like doing is sitting in the park. If I click on 1, I can start to rewrite some of the branches. What I like doing is sitting in the park, listening to the birds in the trees. I can say what I like doing is feeding ducks. What I like doing is sitting in the park and feeding the ducks. Now let's look at paint words. Here I must colour the words according to their word class, nouns, verbs or adjectives, etc. If I click on bench and beach and park and kitchen, these are nouns, they turn blue. To colour the verbs, I colour my cursor red and click on the verbs which turn red.